This is a virtual tour of Unit 3E at 697 West End Avenue. As you enter this pre-war apartment, you're greeted with a grand foyer and a coat closet. This unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with 6 closets throughout. 697 West End Avenue is a beautiful pre-war building with full-time doorman, live-in super, bike storage, and laundry in the basement. You're now looking at the spacious living room right off the eat-in kitchen. All the floors are original and have been recently refinished. We're now entering the kitchen, where you'll see there are 2 large windows offering lots of natural light. There is space for a big dining table, stainless steel appliances including French door refrigerator, dishwasher, gas range, and microwave, along with plenty of storage. The door here is an emergency egress. As we make our way back through the living room, we'll pass a window pane door which closes off the living area from the sleeping quarters. We'll enter the first bedroom, which is large enough for a king-size bed, 2 bright windows, and its own closet with lighting inside. We continue down the hall to find the hall closet, again with its own light, and into the master bedroom, which again has plenty of light, facing 94th Street. 2 closets with their own lights, and a master ensuite bathroom. As we head out the master bedroom, we'll see the guest bathroom. I'll now make my way back through the apartment, down the hall, past the second bedroom, through the living room, the foyer, and out the front door. For more information about this apartment, please contact me via email or phone call.